Lathe machine cutting tools. In this video you see about lathe machine cutting tools. Let you see one by one. This is the image of different types of cutting tools and different types of operation. Next you see one by one. Lathe machine cutting tools are four categories. Category number 1, lathe machine cutting tool based on material. Category number 2, lathe machine cutting tool based on operation. Number 3 category, lathe machine cutting tool based on structure. And number 4, lathe machine cutting tool based on feed direction. That is the four categories divided lathe machine cutting tools. Number 1 category, lathe machine cutting tool based on material. Different types of categories are high speed steel, carbide, diamond, and cube carbon nitride. This is the four categories of lathe machine cutting tool based on material. This is the image of high speed steel cutting tools. This is the carbide cutting tools. This is the diamond cutting tools, and this is the cube carbon nitride cutting tools. This is the different types of cutting tools based on material. Number 2, lathe machine cutting tool based on operation. Number 1, turning tools. Number 2, chamfering tools. Number 3, threading tools. Number 4, facing tools. Number 5, forming tools. Number 6, grooving tools. Number 7, boring tools. Number 8, knurling tools. And this is the sort of different types of cutting tool based on operation: facing, taper turning, counter turning, forming, chamfering, parting off, threading, boring, drilling, knurling. And this is the image of different cutting direction. Number category 3, lathe machine cutting tool based on structure. Number 1, single body cutting tools, welding lathe cutting tools, and clamp lathe cutting tools. This is the single body cutting tools. This is the welding lathe machine cutting tools, and this is the clamp lathe cutting tools. Number 4, lathe cutting tool based on feed direction. Number 1, right hand lathe cutting tools, left hand lathe cutting tools, round nose lathe cutting tools. And this is the different types of lathe cutting tools based on feed direction. Facing, roughing, finishing is a left cutting tools, nose tools, and finish, roughing, facing, right cutting tools. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this, and share this video.